Hello, welcome to our channel, Knowledge Spread by Sir Boots, your teacher in General Mathematics. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Let's begin!
Hello, here I am back in my channel, and in this presentation we are going to deal with the probability distribution of the discrete random variable. In tossing a coin twice, the possible outcomes are: for sample space, we have the tail, tail, head, head, tail, and head. And for two tails to come out in the possible outcome, we have TT, and for TH we have 1. For HT we have also 1, and head or HH we have 0. That is for the number of tails. So the discrete random variable is x, and it has an elements of 0, 1, 2. So x is a set of 0, 1, 2. For zero tail, there is only one outcome, that is HH. For one tail, there are two outcomes. We have HT and TH. And for two tails, there is one outcome, that is TT. And the total possible outcomes is 4. So if we are going to distribute that in the table, the probability distribution is: for x we have 0, 1, 2, and for the probability P of x for 0, that is since there is only one outcome and possible outcome, and all are 4 outcomes, so 1/4. For 1, there are 2 outcomes, so 2 out of 4, or 1/2. And for 2 tails, there is only one outcome, one possible outcome, and that is 1 out of 4, so 1/4. So that is the probability distribution. And the probability distribution is a table like this, showing the random variable and the corresponding probabilities. So that is the probability distribution. So going further with probability distribution, we have the properties. Okay. The properties of probability distribution. Number 1, each of the probability P of x has value which ranges from 0 to 1. It does not exceed 1, and it is not below 0. So it is just in the range of 0 to 1. And the sum of the probabilities, now if you are going to add the probabilities like this one, add that one, the total is 1. So P of x1 plus P of x2 plus P of x3 plus P of xn, or the summation of P of x equals 1. So let's have an example here. We're going to tell If the items below define the probability distribution, or if the table, this table is the table of probability distribution. Okay, say x, we have 1 and the probability is 1/5, and 2, for 2 we have the probability 3/5, and for 3 we have the probability 2/5. Is this a table of probability distribution? The answer is no. Why? Because the total of 1/5, this one, plus 3/5 plus 2/5, if you get the sum, that is 6/5. So it is more than 1. So this is not a table of probability distribution. Number 2, for x, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the corresponding probability is, for 0 we have 1/8. For 1 we have 2/8. For 2 we have 3/8. For 3 we have 2/8. So if we add the probabilities, the denominator is 8, so we just simply add the numerator. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. Therefore, it is 8/8 or 1. So the answer is yes. It is the probability distribution of the discrete random variable because the total of the probabilities is 1. So, let us remember the property that the sum of the probabilities is 1. And the value of its probability ranges only from 0 to 1. So, the way we express the probability distribution of the random variable are many. Now, we can also express the probability distribution as the probability mass function. Okay. Let's consider x 0, 1, 2, 3. And its corresponding p of x is 1/8, then 2/8, 3/8, and 2/8. So, we can write that as p of 0 equals 1/8. We can also write p of 1, no, is equal to 8. And p of 2 is 3/8. And p of 3 is equal to 2/8. So there are a lot of functions. So we can say that is probability mass function. Another way of expressing the probability distribution. So we can also express, no, so plenty of functions are written. P of 0 equals 1/8. P of 1 equals 2/8. P of 2 is 3/8. And P of 3 is 2/8. So it is called as a probability mass function. And also, another one which we can express the probability distribution is we can express it as unordered pair. So like this, for x you have 0 and p of x equals 1, 8. Then for 1, ordered pair 1, for x and p of x is 2 over 8. And for x is 2, the p of x is 3 over 8. And if x is 3, the p of x is 2 over 8. So it can be expressed also as an ordered pair. Okay. It can also be expressed as a graph. So that we can have a visual view, the view of the graph, and we can present it as a histogram. This is how we make the histogram. We have for x 0, 1, 2, 3. So we also have the p of x. This one is p of x. Here is 1, 8, and this one is 2, 8, and this one is 3, 8. The height is only until 3, 8. So we have for 0, that is 1, 8, until here only. And for 1, no, we have 2 over 8, so 2 over 8. For 2, we have 3 over 8, no, from this probability distribution only. And for 3, we have 2 over 8. So we shade the graph, and so that is how we can present also the probability distribution through histogram. So until here only. Thank you very much. Bye.